In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on TradingView with TradeStation. By the end, you'll have your TradeStation account connected directly to TradingView so you can manage futures trading from the same charting workspace you already use. Before we start, make sure you are signed in to both platforms and that your TradeStation account is enabled for futures. This walkthrough focuses on connecting accounts once you are linked. All your trading tools in TradingView will recognize your broker connection. Begin by opening TradingView and logging in. From the main dashboard, launch a chart using supercharts. Any symbol will do for now since we're just setting up the connection. Take a second to arrange your layout the way you like indicators, watch lists, and timeframes so that when you connect, everything is ready to go. Next, look to the right side of your screen for the trading panel. It sits below the watch list and strategy tester. Click it to expand a panel that shows all the supported brokers and platforms available for direct connection inside TradingView. This is where TradeStation will appear. Find TradeStation in the list. If you don't see it immediately, click the three dots to reveal additional options. TradingView groups partners here. So expanding the list ensures you are seeing every available broker. Once you spot TradeStation, select it. Now click Connect. TradingView will redirect you to the official TradeStation login portal. Enter your credentials securely on that page. Depending on your account settings, you might be prompted to confirm the connection or complete two-factor authentication. This step links your broker account to TradingView, allowing orders and account data to flow securely. Always confirm you are on the legitimate TradeStation domain before entering any details. After you sign in and authorize, you'll be routed back to TradingView automatically. Look toward the bottom of your chart. In the trading panel area, a green dot next to TradeStation is your confirmation that the connection is live. If you don't see green right away, give it a moment or reopen the trading panel to refresh. A stable internet connection helps here. And if something seems stuck, clicking Connect again typically resolves it. That's it. With the green indicator showing, your TradeStation account is linked to TradingView. And your futures trading tools are now integrated with your chart. Always double-check the connection status before placing any orders. And keep your credentials secure. You are ready to move from analysis to execution without leaving your charts.